Alexa, wake up. Do you put calcium plus in the fridge for birds? Good morning is what she says. I am so tired of her. Like, she literally nothing. Like, I can't get a straight answer out of her. Beaver, should we throw Alexa away? Say yes. It'll make me happy. Because mommy's aggravated with Alexa because Alexa's acting like she's brain dead. She hasn't spoken in like over a week. I'm pretty sure she's broken. Einstein, what are you doing? Alexa needs a reboot. Alexa needs something, but I don't know how to give it to her. She needs education. She's not very intelligent like I thought she was going to be. Now, I'm distracted. I had so much to do, and now I forgot because Alexa won't even answer the simple question of if the calcium goes in the fridge or if it stays out. Kill me now. What are you doing? You think that's funny? I see you smiling. Little meanie butthole gremlin. You love it when mommy's aggravated. I see you smiling. Princess doing, minding her own business, being sweetie tweety. Daddy's looking for something to cook for dinner. That was loud. Alexa, does calcium plus for birds go in the refrigerator or can you keep it out? Alexa, does calcium plus for cockatiels stay in the fridge or do you leave it out?
From Resetra.com. Always leave it out.
Always leave it out? Like, why? For now it stays in the fridge, it says. Err on the side of caution and leave it out. I don't understand. It doesn't have the instructions on here anywhere. It just has how to give it to them. The storing instructions are like missing. Mrs. Biba, I love you.